insindiso yethu is within the four walls of the church. We don't affect government. We don't affect politics or the economics of the country. We are not even involved in sports. We're not involved in education. One of the greatest indictment Gule country is when Kada Asmal was made the Minister of Education. How can a Muslim run an education department of a country where 80% of the people are Christian? But uJesu yabuya. Kake nami ngiyikholela indaba ukuthi uJesu yabuya. But angifuni uJesu angithole ngisestopini ngimile. Akangithole ngisemsebenzini. Ithina mina kakhulu makhola.